Hi bestie, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been more than 6 months since I posted here and I didn't just disappear. Life had me on a whole different journey. My SIWES in between, I had to join another agricultural project. It was just a whole lot and YouTube had to take back seat. Let me give you a little gist of what I've been doing. SIWES was a very big commitment. It took a lot from me. It took my time, it took my energy, but honestly, it's really worth it. Yeah, I had to leave my comfort zone. I had to see how what I'm learning really works out there. I was just exposed to so many things, and alongside with that, I had to join another agricultural project that also require commitment. In fact, that took all of my time, and I must confess it wasn't easy. Yeah, sometimes I even feel like quitting because it just took all of me. It made me turn darker, thinner. In fact, it took all of me. And I must say that it made me stronger. Yeah, because I learned how to be resilient, how to be patient. Because sometimes I just want to stop it. Yeah, but then it made me strong anyways. And of course, being away wasn't easy either because I miss you, I miss creating, I miss putting myself out there, I miss connecting with you. And stepping back for a while made me see how much I love doing this. It made me see how much I miss you too. And now that I'm back, I want to bring you along as I share my story with you, as I share my experience, as I give you tips and updates about finance, about marketing, about Amazon, about content. I just have a whole lot that I've been planning during my time away. And thanks to everyone that are still here while I was away. I'm so excited to be back. And if you are new here, just go ahead to hit the subscribe button because I have a lot coming soon. See you in the next one. Bye.